Hi, this is Jared of Blackrock Underground. Today's date is December 4th, 2025. Doing a post-sanitary sewer inspection at the property address 7010 Ohio Drive in Vancouver, Oregon. Be entering the newly installed clean out in front of the home, in the yard, and here in the gravel. I currently have water running. When I get down to the bottom of the clean out, I'm going to zero the foot counter. At this point, we're at point of repair, so we're in 4-inch ABS. There we go. Now we're at the bottom of the clean out. You see water running. I'm going to zero the foot counter again. Now we're going to continue. This is at the beginning of our repair. This is 4-inch ABS. At this point, we transition to 4-inch PVC. And then here we are at a 6-inch clean out at the edge of property into the right of way. This other portion is to be repaired by others. I'm gonna pause the video, let the water drain, then we'll pull back. Now that I let the water drain, we'll start pulling back. Here we are in 4-inch PVC. Transition into 4-inch ABS. Then here we are coming back out to clean out outside the residence. This inspection was done with the rigid push cam with the 1-inch lens. Our portion of the repair is in working order. This will conclude my video. Thank you.